Kids, follow me. There are more stories I want to share with you. Tomb Sweeping Day, or Qingming, is a traditional festival observed annually by Chinese people around the world. It falls on the 15th day after the Spring Equinox, or early April, according to the Gregorian calendar. It is also known as Ancestors' Day, a day to remember and honor one's ancestors. As it is a public holiday in many societies with large Chinese populations, families typically take the time to visit their ancestors' tombstones to clean and keep them in good condition. They would also bring along their ancestors' favorite food and flowers, and burn joss sticks and gifts made from joss paper, in the hope that their afterlife is made more enjoyable and pleasant. These days, many Chinese people no longer live in the same areas as their ancestors' tombs. However, Qingming can still be observed by sending thoughts and blessings to those who are no longer with us.